In this tutorial, we'll show you how to adjust the temperature on your 300 series Jacuzzi hot tub in just a few quick steps. First, tap the screen to wake up the display. Then, press the 1 and 2 buttons to access the temperature controls. The display will show the current temperature of the hot tub. To adjust the temperature, press the up arrow to increase or the down arrow to decrease the setting. Once you press an arrow, the display will show the set temperature. Repeatedly tap the arrow until you reach your desired temperature, then release your finger. The temperature adjusts in 1 degree increments and can range anywhere from 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it. A quick and easy way to make sure your spa is always set to your ideal temperature. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy maintenance tips from The Great Escape.